Oh, what do we have here? How one's guest ego ruined an entire wedding.
On May 25th, 2025, officers in Ohio received a call from staff at a local Marriott hotel
What did I say? It's always fucking Ohio, right?
reporting
Right.
that guests of a wedding after party were yelling at each other and about to fight. An officer responded to the hotel and met with security who explained the situation. Here's what the officer did next.
Hello. You guys call?
Oh yeah, he been waiting for you. He was waiting for you at the door.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
We got a big wedding group up here fighting on the 6th floor. They're in the room. Go up there to check on them. We got like 7 people out in the hallway right now.
What floor is it?
6th floor.
99. Just for information, we're gonna be going to the 6th floor. It's a wedding party.
We're in room 627. So I got like 6 of them out in the hallway. I go up there, they like
White, Mexican, Asian.
all white guys. All white guys, 1 white female. But I met her on the elevator.
That's cool.
So
Are they just all arguing?
They said it was actually fighting in the room. The people outside the room ain't fighting.
Okay. Well, we have a lot more units coming. So.
Gotcha. All right. Fun times on a Sunday.
Yeah, I guess.
Jeez, man.
Hey, do they have this rented out for the night, or?
I believe so. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think
They
it's
about to lose it.
625, 627, the attached rooms.
Okay.
But I told him you was on your way. I didn't make contact with people inside.
Where they at? What's up, guys? What's going on? Are they all in here?
Yeah, they are. Hold on, let me tell you. This all started at their wedding, my daughter's wedding. Drunk, everybody's drunk. They got more beer.
Okay.
And we get on
What Stone Cold Steve Austin said, I had 1 beer, 2 beers.
the back to here. His 5 girls, his 5 kids,
12.
15 of them. His 5 kids are on the bus. They're starting shit with them. And
So are they fighting in the room there?
now they're trying to knock on my door.
So is these 2 rooms going at it?
Yes, but we all went to the same wedding.
Right.
They all went to the same wedding. Everybody's drunk. Everybody's
351, is there going to be a responder?
Okay.
For this alarm?
All right, I'll talk to
And
him.
then, hold on, then we get on the shuttle bus, and he's in the front seat. I told him, I said, go to the back. I'm not even supposed to be on the shuttle bus. I said, go to the back. They said, out right behind him, starts running his mouth. One guy in particular starts running his mouth. And now he gets back here. He goes to bed with his 5 kids.
Right.
They're crying. They're over 3.
I'm not going my head. Trying to wake you up. What dude is it? He's in there?
Yeah,
I'll talk to him. That's cool. I'll talk to him real quick. I'll talk to you guys.
No, I want to talk to him
I can't wait to see how this is gonna fucking turn out.
first.
No, I'll talk to him. Hey. It's Hamilton, please open the door. It's Hamilton, please open the door. Can you guys go in the room? I'll talk to these people. You guys just go in there. Hello.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Good.
What's your name?
Great.
You Ethan?
She is so fucking wasted.
You don't need to.
Is your name Ethan?
No, you don't need to.
Why are all these people in one room? Why they didn't get like a suite or something?
What's your name, man?
You don't need to know my name.
What's going on?
All right.
Can I come in here because I know there's a lot of people here. Can we all come in there a little bit?
That's a shut in. No, seriously. We're being disrespectful. Don't even back up.
No.
This is Michael's
That's the dude
shit.
right there. That's the
We
dude
have
right
to
there.
deal with it.
That's the dude right there.
Our side. Alright, it's a difference. Everybody, our side. Everybody here, look, he wants to come in. The club wants to come in.
Can I please come in, you guys?
Absolutely.
We have like
See what happens when you get some liquor around idiots and probably a little meth.
15 cops coming here. It's
That
not even
one's
good.
telling me to
Everything's
come
back
out.
up. No.
That one's telling me to come Me and out. him talk. We're good.
Who, this one?
And this one.
This
Correct.
one?
Yes.
Okay.
You don't need to come in because he didn't ask. Yes. Please let him ask her to talk.
Quit.
Please come in.
Can I come in and talk to you real
Yes,
quick, man?
please. He's being respectful.
You ain't gonna talk to me. I
Please
promise
do.
you that.
Okay.
Huh. This guy's gonna be the asshole of tonight.
You ain't gonna know shit about me.
I don't. Yeah, I'm just gonna see what's going on right now. That's all I want to know.
199 check out.
No, we're good. Buddy, it's up to you. You can come on in, but you ain't gonna know shit about me.
Okay, that's fine. But I want to come here and talk, make sure everything's good.
He's doing his job.
Anything physical at all, or you guys just arguing?
No, they're just.
I don't even know the problem.
Whose wedding is this?
I'm not here. He's not,
Not here?
he's here. He's here, but he's going on his honeymoon at 4 a.m.
Oh, he's probably asleep.
And that's it. That's their bride's family.
Correct.
I don't know what the issue
It
is.
sounds like Ever's been drinking a lot.
Yes,
Absolutely.
exactly.
So maybe Ever just stay separated.
I think it doesn't help that
That we're
we're
next door.
side by side.
Right.
That's, I think, the big issue
If I
right now.
talk to the workers here and get you guys a different room, will that help out?
Yes, I think that'd be good at this.
What the fuck? I ain't never heard that before. Usually y'all come in to arrest some people.
Okay, I'll do that.
For
then.
me specifically.
Right.
Or maybe it's just too many people to take to jail, because it is a lot of people. We're like, what, 3 couples right there? That's 6 people off the top. Ain't no telling who's in the back over there.
Yeah.
Who's staying with all you guys in one room?
We
here?
are leaving. They're
You're leaving.
But I didn't let them out. I didn't let them out because
Oh,
I knew
okay.
Correct.
they were
Right.
out in the hallway.
Yes.
So
They were.
would stop talking, that'd be great.
So when are you guys
Which one? Because they both keep talking.
leaving? Like soon or?
You don't
They-
need to worry about that.
Dude, stop being an asshole. I'm just asking you a simple
I'm
question.
not being an asshole.
This guy was cool in high school for like 3 years.
I can leave whenever.
Okay, but I was gonna walk
You
you
understand
out.
me?
So, dude,
Listen
back
to me.
up, dude.
Listen to me.
Dude, that's I swear I'm a dude. Back up.
Thank you.
Yeah, you trying to big boy some shit. Yeah, you deserve that shit.
I'm fighting one. Ground now. Get on the ground now. Why am I getting on the ground? Get on the ground now. You're gonna get fucking pepper spray.
Damn.
I need units now.
Woo! A pepper spray to the face and hitting your head on the bed. That'll definitely reset, factory reset them settings. God damn. And what the, hold on. What is that on the bed? What the hell is that? That got his mind right. Oh, that's the pepper spray. Well, you gonna have to tell him everything now. He needs some milk. God damn. That act right to get you right every time when you want to be an asshole. Trying to tell you. Out the gate, he was being an asshole.
Sixth floor, fighting one.
How are you fighting one?
All units are
Damn, did he knock him out?
on the riverfront, 6th floor, fighting one.
You want to go night-night? Everybody go night-night.
I got him.
That shit strong.
Stay down, dude. Oh shit. Ooh.
They about to die. What is that, bear mace?
Oh, you should use Hazer.
I use both.
Hey, if you ever want to your sinuses cleared out, just spray some bear mace or some that pepper spray in the air. Boy, you gonna be in that just letting out everything. You hear me?
Can you help me out, man? I can't see shit.
Yeah, I got you going.
Oh man.
Cross your head.
Right here.
Sam, 744 center.
Imagine how the guy feels that guy hit with that shit right in his fucking eyes and he's handcuffed. I bet he won't act like that with the police no more.
Let's go. I'm a
Shit!
Clearing marker.
We'll be back. Yeah, stay tight. Yeah, don't go back in that room. Whew. All you gotta do is leave, man. You don't have to go to the whole level. You're being an asshole for no reason.
I ain't gonna lie, as soon as that door opened, I kind of knew he was going to jail just off of his demeanor, and he didn't have to give any information. I already knew that
Thank
shit.
you, guys.
Yeah. I was close to everybody else tied up. I was like,
I know that all my guys are chasing someone now. I can't.
It's crazy though, because this guy is so drunk, he didn't even realize that the cops were being cool with him. Like they was just gonna be like, "Hey, do you think we need to get you another room?" And whoop de whoop, and he just was being a complete asshole. Like I said earlier, this guy was the coolest scene for 3 years straight.
On the west side.
It's like, I was like, I can't. This guy when I hit the hallways, when I heard the tail,
Yeah, my bad.
Shit.
Well, he kept coming at me.
I'm gonna lie to you. You do this shit at my wedding event, baby, you're done. Your ass is grass. You hear me?
Oh, God.
I was gonna have him switch rooms, and that's it. He just took it to a whole nother level, trying to come at me. I was like,
You lit liquor. You just ruined the whole night.
dude, come on.
You guys have a squad come look in?
Huh?
You guys have to have a squad come look in?
Nah, he's been moved from the area.
Yeah. Just sit tight, you guys, all right? I'll be right back up.
That's because I know we don't.
Yeah, as long as you move from the area.
Oh, shit. Sarge?
Hi, Sarge.
What's up, man?
What we got?
We'll take him on that.
That's cool.
Hey, you got your keys?
Yeah.
Put them in your car.
Thank you.
You in front of me, I believe?
Yeah, both. I tased them. Came up here. There was a dispute. I was gonna have they're about to leave. I asked the guy, when are you guys leaving? He goes, none of your fucking business when I leave. Because I was gonna walk him out, so no fight at all. And then
Okay, so what do we got down here?
these people, it's a big wedding party, and the dude kept trying to square up with me coming at me. I was like, dude, back up, because I was gonna go in the room and talk to him. And I deployed my taser on him. I think it's still connected to me. And then I OC sprayed him too, because it wasn't working. It's in this room to your right.
Hamilton police.
They got all of me and the sheriff. Rinse yourself off. Yeah. And Sarge, they're asking if they can switch rooms because this room's getting into with this room right here. I was just gonna walk that gentleman down. So.
I just don't want to sleep in there after you maced it.
Yeah, but before all that happened, I was gonna switch you guys' rooms and walk him out, but he was being an asshole about it. So.
Facts.
What happened?
Guy looks like he's a jarhead, bro. You know, why would you want to fuck with somebody that looked like they was serving in Afghanistan and shit?
Walk down this way.
Hey, you good?
Yeah, I'm good, dude. I don't know where this is all connected. Man.
I got him.
Here, can you help me out with this shit? No, he squared up with me. I told him to get back in the room. He's not here. I'm gonna walk down here. That was the first time I did that. But, yeah, he kept squaring up with me. I was like, hey, dude, let's walk down here. Because he's about to leave. I was going to walk him out.
Where's he at?
He's down. These sheriffs just took him to my car. Okay. So, all right, that room that I'm with, they might need to move rooms. There's OC up there. The guy was being an asshole, so we got tased and OC spread. Was that the same gentleman? That you the beard guy? Oh, yeah. You guys got a water down here?
I'll pay for it.
Yeah, you're fine. It's right over there.
Give him something to wash off with.
Yeah, I'm taking 5.7.
Appreciate you guys.
Thank you, guys. Yeah.
I heard you talking crazy too, so.
I don't know. He was really talking crazy for no reason. I was like, I'm going to walk back to your car. He kept running his mouth to me, and I tried to go in, then he tried to square up with me. So. All right. Yep. Thank you, guys.
Nathan, you have a couple of songs you get a little.
I can't see shit.
God damn, that's strong. They still fucked up.
A little bit. Me and him, we got it. You good back there?
Would you mind rolling down the window?
Yeah, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Man, it didn't have to go to that, man. Come on. I didn't want to do that, man.
Do what?
Pepper spray and tase you. I was going to walk you out, and that was it, man. Come on. I'll be right to headquarters, 1 mile.
Your incident has been updated.
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and obstructing official business. The suspect was issued a $25 bond, which he later posted.
$25, damn.
In court, the charges of resisting arrest and obstructing official business were dismissed. He pleaded guilty to the remaining charge of disorderly conduct and was sentenced to 30 days in jail, with 30 days suspended alongside 2 years of probation.
Ooh, ain't nobody want to sit no down county, boy. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. Oh, we out.